Hello friends, welcome to Naman tutorial. Today I am started the second chapter of the English, a synopsis the Swiss Family Robinson. In the lecture, please don't play any voice instrument like speaker and television. Please pay attention only here. Okay. The synopsis the Swiss Family Robinson is a fiction novel published in 1812 by Swiss author Johann Swiss. Okay, it chronicles the adventure of a family is a Swiss emigrants shifted in the East Indians. Okay, set in the late 1700th century, the Swiss family Robinsons recounts the 10 years adventure of Robinson, his wife Elizabeth, and their four sons Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. In exam, you ask name the wife of the Robinson, whatever. His wife named Elizabeth and their four sons Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz on an island in the South Pacific. En route to Australia, the Robinson ship is wrecked to the turbulent storm. The crew escapes in lifeboats, leaving the family stranded aboard the shattered vessel. Okay, the wreckage in wedged between rocks within sight of land, giving the family crisis little time of fashion a makeshift canyon in which they make landfall on the nearby island. They established camp on the beach and after several trips back to the wreckage gathered enough supplies for short-term survival. The family immediately explores the surrounding areas. Now they build a bridge across a stream, granting them access to the territory beyond the beach. They arm themselves with guns and ammunition for the weapons, ship stores and hunt for food and retired from the observed heat on the beach to the shade. A small sailing vessels found packed in the ship's hold. Along the way, the ever resourceful Robinson schools his sons in Ashcan species of plants and animals, and the Devon family prays regularly to thank God at island bounty. As the weeks turned into the months, season moon suns forced the Robinson to look for warmer, drier. Exploring the cliff face along the beach, they discover a massive cavern behind the rock wall. Full of useful minerals and providing them civil cover, the cave is transformed by the family into the habitable. Okay. Dwelling complete with a workshop, a kitchen, and sleeping quarters. Sitting in for the long haul, the family explores fertile island, planting crops, assembling a mergers on the Indonesia's animals and pets and pike animals, and continue finding ways to use the island resources for their survival and comfort. As time passes, Robinson finds endless projects to keep himself and his family occupied. He built a loom for Elizabeth. They block a gap in the cliff wall to prevent the incursion of hungry animals into their garden, and they explored the rocky outcrops in the shallows. After months of relative peace, the first life threatening danger comes in the form of a gigantic boa constrictor, forcing the family to retreat into the cave for 3 days before they formulate a plan to slay it. All the while, Robinson reflects on his son's physical and spiritual growth. After 10 years on the island, the boys are now robust, confident young men. Robinson marvels at the passage of time and his mortality. One day, Fritz and Fritz finds a message attached to an albatross, a call from help. He sets out in his kayak to search for who had sent the message and find Jenny Montres, the long survivor of a ship bound in England 3 years prior. The Robinsons quickly accepted Johnny as part of the family, and and Fritz develop a romantic relationship. Soon after, a Royal Navy ship searching for Montres discovers the island and rescue the family. Having accumulated to their new home, New Switzerland, Robinson and Elizabeth decide to remain on the island with Ernest Jack. Fritz and friends return to Europe. Robinson entrusts his journal to Fritz as a moral and educational guide for other families. Now, students, I hope you understand these chapters. I am very easy shop, easy letters, easy sentences I am explaining. Now, to come into the questions. Once again, I am repeat the summary. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship. Okay, when it was catch in a great storm, the ship other passengers had evacuated, means left without them. William and his family, including the young children, okay, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, okay, four sons are there. Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz were left to survive alone. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. Upon reaching the island, the family set up a makeshift temporary camp. Okay, temporary, not a permanent. The father knew that they had to prepare for a long time on the island and make a such provision for the fu- future as for the immediate wants. The family spent the next few days securing themselves against hunger. William and Fritz made several trips to the ships in their efforts to bring ashore everything useful from the vessel. The domesticated animals on the ship were towed back to the island. There was also great store of firearms and ammunition, hammocks and sleeping, carpenter's tools, lumber, cooking, and etc. Silverware, dishes, etc. Entirely, they constructed a tree house. Okay, three not tree house. But as time passed, they settled in a more permanent dwelling in the form of a cave. Now come to the question. Wait a minute. Hmm. Complete the following Venn diagram. Names of the Robinsons family members. Okay. And six names are there. Williams, Fritz, Franz, Jack, Elizabeth, and Ernest. Okay. Name the sons of this. So Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, and his wife name Elizabeth. Graphic means poster involving a lot of pictures. A trunk means a main stem of the tree. The Swiss family Robinsons is well known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. Give the noun form of relevant का क्या आएगा noun में relevance. Give the adjective form of adventure and adventurous. Give the verb form of successfully successed. Give the verb form of provisions to provide. Now we have completed this chapter, and third chapter is have you ever seen. We can this is poem, not a chapter. We can today I am complete this poem in the next lecture. Okay, now take care, goodbye, and please stay home. Bye bye.